Hello guys. Today I'm playing crafting and building because I can't afford Minecraft. Let's begin. Man, this texture pack looks fire. It makes it look like real Minecraft. Ooh, a village. Let's go rob Pepperle's smiling face with horns. Brew, what is this? I'll take it, I guess. And your bed too. Finally, some food. Wow, this is way better loot. Shocked. Oi. No frigging way. I already found diamonds, let's go. Pickaxe acquired. Come out wherever you are, Iron Golem. Run. Holy. That was too close. Finally. Boat acquired. I'll need this. Time to sail. I decided to stop here. I will continue to explore tomorrow. I need this chest. I must stop here for now.